around the lake. Bro, she has high heels on. She has fucking high heels on. I see a guy looking at me. And they got a setup down here. 2 little homes. They got all kinds of shit up there. Alright, so what's up, guys? There's a lot of homeless that live in this building right here. And they got some form of red carpet, brown carpet, with a little bit of red mixed into it. They got a setup in there. There was a big fire that burned down an old building in downtown last night. I'm not too sure where it is. I'm gonna be meeting up with the boys and we're gonna go find it. The homeless population is increasing around here, and with that, it's obviously gonna become other issues like camping out under bridges, old buildings, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty sad. I understand they're doing what they gotta do, but overall, just pretty unfortunate. All right, so I met up with, hello? What's up? Alright, so now I met up with the boys and yeah, we ripping. About to be testing out the 360 camera, see how this looks, getting shots of other people. Should be pretty sick. The bike looking fresh. Alright, so I definitely have the camera on 360 mode now. Bro, I found a homeless camp underneath those 2 bridges. Yeah, there's like 2 of them right next to each other. I got a duplex up in that bitch. Oh my god. We're saving them one at a time. She didn't even ask. Her flag's gonna get caught up in the chain. Looking good, Miles, looking good. Looks like you're taking her home. Look at you guys riding off in the sunset, all cute. Miles in his ride or die. All jokes aside, this probably made her day. That's probably pretty awesome. Oh god, she's standing up. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, she's like got her arm around you and everything. Oh, it's the funniest shit I've ever seen. Oh, Miles, I'm glad you finally found someone. She did the biker wave and everything. Oh, this is great. Heading around the lake. Bro, she has high heels on. Bro, she better give you a kiss. Tell your girlfriend to talk louder so I can hear. Should we stop up here and take pictures of our bikes? Nah, I don't think we're gonna stop. I feel like I'd be scared shitless just hopping on a bike with a bunch of random dudes. She's probably low-key kind of scared that we're just gonna dump her out here. Bro, it's just funny how she like, we thought she was getting off so she could leave, but she just starts unfolding your pig. On that new Gen Grom though. See what that stand up, boy. Okay, shit. Oh my god, she does have her heels on. Oh man. All right. Well, I'm sorry I'm making you mad, but I'm pretty happy for you. Nah, dude, you're gonna sit here and wait for her. You can't just leave her. So very nice. So long, old friend. Maybe you'll run into her again another day. Circles? I got him on circles, bro. I'm gonna follow one of you guys through. That should look pretty cool on the 360. Seems like it. Fire happened last night, pretty wild.